Hey YouTube, welcome. We're doing another drive on version 12.5.6.3 of Tesla Full Self-Driving. And we're just going to take a quick trip over to a restaurant. So we've got a little bit of snow today. Fortunately, the roads are nice and clean, which makes driving a little bit better. Doing some Uber right now, and hopefully we'll be able to get to my location. If I get a ride in between now, I guess we'll just navigate on to a different location. So it's now clear. We're going to be making a left-hand turn at these lights coming up, and looks like I want to be in the left lane in case I need to do a U-turn. This is perfect. So often as an Uber driver, I find being in the left lane of two lanes that I'm turning gives me the opportunity to do a U-turn if I need to. Sometimes I might get a ride and I need to go straight, but I can then do a U-turn and then like circle around this way and then circle back, do another U-turn and then be able to go straight. If my ride is off and to the left and I'm sitting in the right lane, then it's okay. So if the ride is back behind us, then being in the right lane means I'm committed to a left-hand turn. And on this particular road, I would have to drive about 1 kilometer down the road, do a U-turn, drive 1 kilometer back. Likely the rider would cancel that trip. So I've already done 14 trips today in the last, let's see, maybe 5-6 hours. So it's not too bad, could be busier. So it was a good, nice left-hand turn. And we're in hurry mode, set for 85. Doesn't seem to be in a big rush. So we'll increase the speed a little bit. So we're just going to make a little right-hand turn and then we'll be done this drive to this location. Maybe we'll see if we can hit another random spot. So getting into the lane 600 meters before, which is perfect. Nice little gap here. So enjoying this version of full self-driving. It's nice and smooth. I've watched other YouTubers talk about its late slowdowns, and likely that would be on quick roads. I haven't experienced any late slowdowns when I'm doing slower drives, like in the city area. When I'm on a quicker road, perhaps if the light changes, it could be a little dicey. So we're gonna be at our destination here, just across the road. The car often signals. I'm not sure why it does that. Misleading. Good. Turned off. And okay, so that was a little bit of a harsh break. So we're going straight across. We have 3 vehicles to our right. Looks like 4 vehicles. All right, so this guy, and that was perfect. So I'm going to take over. So hopefully you enjoyed that little drive. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and we will do another drive soon. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe to see more videos. Appreciate it. Peace.